गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसे हो आप लोग? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन. टुडे विल स्टार्ट द टॉपिक Golgi body. In previous lecture, we studied about the chloroplast, their structure, their function. Fine. You can like and subscribe my channel. Anyway, now we are coming on the topic Golgi body. First, we'll start with the discovery. It was first discovered by the Camillo Golgi in 1898 in the nerve cells of owls. उल्लू के नर्व सेल्स में इन्होंने सबसे पहले माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को फाइंड किया था. दैट्स वाई ही गॉट द नोबेल प्राइज इन 1906. Now, what is the other name of the Golgi bodies? Because it was discovered by the Camillo Golgi, so its name was the Golgi body. Now, it is also called the Baker's body. Why the Baker's? It was name given by the scientist Bakers, and it is also called the lipochondria. Why it is called lipochondria? Because there was a scientist Malone Hoare and Murray who discovered that in the Bakers told that there are the tubules, these are the tubules that are rich with the lipids. That's why it is also known as the lipochondria. And in plants, it is also called the dictyosome. The name dictyosome was given by the Malone Hoare and Murray. Is it clear? Bakers name it lipochondria. On the name of Bakers, it is also known as the Baker's body. Lipochondria due to the presence of lipids, and it is the polymorphic or pleomorphic organelles because its structure is different in different cells. The pleomorphic, in Hindi it is known as the Bahurupiya, the body that is present in the various forms. Now we are talking about the in which cells the Golgi bodies are present and where it is absent. Golgi body is present in every eukaryotic cell, but these are absent in the prokaryotic cell, especially the bacteria and blue-green algae. But apart of the prokaryote, the certain other eukaryotic cells that have lack of the Golgi body. This is the important question for the 1 mark. The Golgi body is absent in prokaryotic cell as well as in eukaryotes, the RBC of mammals. Why in RBC of mammals? Because they have the most of spaces covered by the hemoglobin. That's why they have the lack of Golgi body. Sheath tubules, infloems. fungi, and also the gametes are bryophytes and pteridophytes, because the gametes are also the cells, but these have the lack of Golgi body. And the Golgi body named only in the animal cell. But we will talk about, if we will talk about the plant cell, the Golgi body is known as the dictyosomes. And first we will see the diagram of the Golgi body. Then we will discuss the different structures. Here we can see the diagram. We can see here, these are formed by the tubules. These are the flattened tubules that are called the cisternae. You can see here, and they have two phases. One is the concave phase and second is the convex phase. The concave phase is called the trans phase or maturing phase, and the convex phase is called the cis phase or entry phase. Why I am discussing here? And first we can see the location of the Golgi body in the cell, because they have the two phases. One is the concave phase, second one is the convex phase. If we talk about the location of convex phase, it is towards the nucleus or endoplasmic reticulum, while the cis phase or trans phase or maturing phase or concave phase is towards the cytoplasm or cell membrane. Why it is? Actually, it is assumed that there are the certain vessels that are formed due to the endoplasmic रेटिकुलम. ऐसा माना जाता है कि जो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम से छोटी छोटी वेसल्स होती हैं वो गोल्जी बॉडी के फॉर्मिंग फेज से जुड़ती हैं, मीन्स सिस फेज से जुड़ेंगी, और जो वेसल्स मैच्योरिंग फेज की तरफ होती हैं. यू कैन सी हियर इन द मैच्योरिंग फेज. हियर जो वेसल्स होती हैं वो बड़े बड़े होते हैं और वो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन से भी जुड़ जाते हैं. और इन जो ये we can see here, these are the tubules, and in these tubules there the certain perforations are present. Perforation means small pores, and here in the newborn cells, the number of vessels is slightly less, and we can see here within these there are the certain kind of the transparent fluid are present. What is the means of transparent fluid? The transparent fluid means These have the certain kinds of the chemicals and different kinds of the enzymes like the nucleosidase, phosphatase, thymine pyrophosphatase, acid phosphatase, peroxidases that we will study in the next classes. Here the cisternes, we can see here, these are the cisternes, and in the cisternes these are like the tubes that are converted into the cups like shape from the both corners. We can see here, these are the nearly tube like structure, but on the both side these are forms the certain bowl like structure or the cup like structure. And we can also see here in this diagram here. Okay, now we will talk about the component of the Golgi body. These are formed by the cisternae, vessels and tubules. If we talk about the cisternae, these are the sac-like and branch structure, and the main thing, the membranes of the cisternae are formed by the two membranes, and nearly in different books you will find the different data, but nearly here we have mentioned the 3 cisternaes, but it can be 3 to 7. In few books you will find the 3 to 10. It is depend on the writer, but the average is the 3 to 7. They have the 2 phases, trans phase and cis phase. Cis phase is also called the entry phase. Why the entry phase? Because there are the certain molecules that enter through the cisternae, through the perforated pit or perforations or perforated pits. Here these chemicals will transform into the enzymes, hormones and the other chemicals that is needed by the different enzymes, different organs. And the second is the trans phase. It is the maturing phase. It is present towards the cell membrane. From the trans phase, the transformed chemicals will releases to the different parts. Now we will see the vessels. These are the round structures I have already told you. These are filled with the biomaterials. It means that I have told you, like the nucleosidase phosphate, mucopolypeptides, mucopolysaccharides, sulfones, silomucins and so on. And these are found by the budding of tubules. But it is the outgrowth that is formed over the tubules, it is called the vessels. And the tubules that are present to the peripheral and connected with the cisternae. Here we will talk about the function of the Golgi body. The name of the Golgi body is also known, the common name is it is called the ट्रैफिक कंट्रोलर. इसको ट्रैफिक कंट्रोलर क्यों कहते हैं पहले समझिएगा इसको. जो गोल्जी बॉडी होती है उसके अंदर अलग अलग प्रकार के पॉलीसेक्राइड्स, डिफरेंट एंजाइम्स, इन सब चीज़ों का फॉर्मेशन होता है। और अलग अलग ऑर्गन्स के लिए, जैसे माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के जो एंजाइम चाहिए वो अलग होगा, जो इंडोक्राइन हार्मोन्स होंगे उनका नेचर अलग होगा, कौन किस ग्लैंड से बनेगा, वो सबके लिए अलग अलग पैकेजिंग करते हैं और अलग अलग जगह ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं। जैसे ट्रैफिक कंट्रोलर जब ट्रैफिक होता है तो अलग अलग दिशाओं में अलग अलग जगह पे उसको ट्रैफिक को कंट्रोल करता है। तो वही काम सेम सेल के अंदर गोल्जी बॉडी करती है। सो we can see here these are called the principal director of the macromolecular traffic in the cell. It means the traffic controller because there the various molecules or materials secreted by the endoplasmic reticulum. सिस फेज, इट मीन्स ये सिस फेज से एंट्री करेगा और ट्रांस फेज से वो निकलेगा। द नेक्स्ट इज द पैकेजिंग एंड कलेक्शन। कलेक्शन एंड पैकेजिंग का मतलब वही, वो जितने भी ऑर्गेनल्स हैं, जितने भी ऑर्गन्स हैं, उनके लिए कौन सा एंजाइम बनाना है और कौन किसके लिए है, तो वो क्या करेगा, उसको कलेक्ट करेगा, उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म करेगा, उसको पैक करके उस सेल ऑर्गेनल तक उसको वो सप्लाई करवा देगा। नेक्स्ट, द सेल प्लेट फॉर्मेशन ड्यूरिंग द सेल डिवीजन। यू विल सी इन द you will learn in the class 11 the cell division. जनरल आप समझ लो सेल डिवीजन क्या होता है। तो एक तरीके से आप ऐसे कह सकते हो, जैसे सपोज ये कोई एक सेल है, इस सेल में एक न्यूक्लियस है, ये न्यूक्लियस है। तो सेल डिवीज़न में क्या होगा, ये सेल टूटेगा दो भाग में। तो सबसे पहले आएगा ये एक सेल होगा, ये न्यूक्लियस टूट गया दो भाग में, लेकिन अभी भी सेल वैसे ही है। तो जो गोल्जी बॉडी होगा वो इसके बीच में एक सेल प्लेट का फॉर्मेशन करेगा ये। तो फाइनली इसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप होगा उसमें ये सेल दोनों अलग हो जाएंगे। तो ये जो प्लेट बन रहा है, ये प्लेट इट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द गोल्जी बॉडी। ओके, द नेक्स्ट फंक्शन इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एक्रोसोम इन द स्पर्म। आप पढ़ोगे जब क्लास 12th में और क्लास 10th में भी है, तो ये एक टिपिकल स्पर्म का स्ट्रक्चर, सपोज ये एक स्पर्म है, ये इसका फ्लैजेला है और ये इसका हेड है। तो इसके ऊपर एक छोटा सा तीर की तरह पतला सा, ये इट इज कॉल्ड द एक्रोसोम। ये क्या करता है, एक एक्रोसिन एक एंजाइम होता है जो सिक्रीट करता है, जो एक सेल के जोना पेल्सिडा लेयर को डिसॉल्व करता है और न्यूक्लियस फ्यूज कराता है। नेक्स्ट, इट इज आल्सो फॉर्म द विटलाइन मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ द योक ऑफ द एग। सेम, ये एग है और एक के ऊपर एक पतली सी मेम्ब्रेन होती है, इट इज कॉल्ड द विटलाइन मेम्ब्रेन। ये हेल्प करता है एग को पॉली इम्ब्रियोनी से रोकने के लिए। ये हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे व्हाट इज द पॉली इम्ब्रियोनी। एंड इट आल्सो फॉर्म द हेमिसेल्यूलोज and different of the polysaccharide. Hemicellulose we will study it in the tissue chapter, and also form the sialic acid. Okay, it is a type of carbohydrate that is formed over the cell membrane, sialic acid. So now I am again repeating the whole thing. Golgi body, it was first discovered by the Camillo Golgi in 1898, and 1906 he got the Nobel Prize for discovering the Golgi body. On the name of the Golgi, Camillo Golgi, the name was given the Golgi body because Bakers discovered it and told about the lipoproteins are present, lipids are present in the Golgi body is more. So it is also called the Baker's body, and it is also called the lipochondria. In plants it is called the dictyosome because these are the group of sacs. So it is called the dictyosomes. They are the bowl shape structure formed by the 3 to 7 cisternes. They having the two phases. One is the concave phase and second one is the convex phase. Convex phase called the cis phase. Cis phase, it is also called the forming phase, and the concave phase is called the trans phase or maturing phase. cis phase से materials अंदर जाते हैं, वहाँ पर उनका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है एंजाइम्स, हार्मोन्स और डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स में, और वहाँ पर पैकेजिंग होती है, और ये फिर ये मेच्योरिंग फेज या ट्रांस फेज से निकल कर ये डिफरेंट बॉडी तक पहुँचा दिए जाते हैं. दे आर फाउंड बाय द सिस्टर्नीज, वेसल्स एंड ट्यूब्यूल्स. सिस्टर्नीज ये ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होती है जो चपटी होती है और किनारों पर मुड़ी होती है. Vessels, these are the small round shaped structures that are rich with the enzymes and the other molecules, and the third is the tubules. You can see here the tubules. These are the covering of the Golgi body that is connected with the cisternae. फंक्शन इसका अगर बात करें तो सिक्रीशन का, एक्रोसोम के फॉर्मेशन का, सेल प्लेट के फॉर्मेशन का, लाइसोसोम्स के फॉर्मेशन का, विथ लाइन मेम्ब्रेन को फॉर्मेना, सियालिक एसिड के फॉर्मेशन को करना. So there are the different functions of the Golgi body. It is called the traffic controller of the cell. In next video, we'll study about the another cell organelle, that may be the lysosomes or endoplasmic reticulum or nucleus or centrosomes. Thank you, class.